In today's video, I'm going to apply my first Milo application of 2019. I know all you guys are going to say, well, a bag of Milorganite is for 2,500 square feet. True, but remember, I'm going to apply my Milorganite at the half rate this year because I'm pairing it with Scott's. Some of you are probably wondering why I'm putting down Milorganite or any fertilizer at all in January. And quite honestly, it's because it's a slow release, so it's going to be long lasting, and it's very low on levels of NP and K, which are only 6, 4, and 0. So we're not really stimulating much growth at this point. It's simply kind of a little freshener for the grass in the winter. Kind of tells it to wake up and guess what, start stretching a little bit because it's almost that growing season. And like I said in my previous video, in March, I'm going to throw down some Scott's Bonus S Weed and Feed. It's got much higher content of NP and K. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. All right, so I used about 12 pounds of Milo for the backyard, which was 3,000 square feet. My side yards are each about 400 square feet. So I'm gonna spread about 6 pounds of Milo on each side there. That's gonna total up 24 pounds of Milo and leaves another 12 pounds of Milo for the front yards. Here's where we apply that Milo to get that lawn domination. We're gonna put a nice thick line down between our property and the neighbor's property. It's gonna give a real nice dark green effect. Got our edge guard turned on. So I just finished applying my first application of Milorganite for the 2019 season. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel.